Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. It's time to wrap the for kids for the Christmas gift on Christmas Day. I need to ready this before for them. I didn't know still have Christmas party in healthcare team. I don't know if that's in Saturday or when. I'm using this Swiss to cut the wrapper. Merry Christmas everyone. How many days before Christmas? Already 9 days or 8 days. This is the but the my brother I did not give only my two sisters I already giving them, but my two brother not yet, and my other sister is in Saudi. I don't need to give her Christmas gift because she has work also. We are the same OFW. I just give my brother and sister gift, the one in the Philippines. But my eldest brother, instead of giving gift, Christmas gift, I'm the one who paid his SSS for the whole year SSS. I already paid 2 years. This coming 2026 is just 3 years. So that he can have pension. He already 60, but he won't able to get pension because the contribution in SSS is not complete. That's why I completed it to get pension. When he gonna be 63 years old, he gonna have a pension for the SSS. He need to complete the 120 months contribution. That's my gift for my elder brother to pay his SSS contribution for 3 years. I already paid the 2 years. But he is not completing to contribute. I'm the one who continue paying so that he can have pension when he gonna be 63. He already 61. This coming February he already 62. By next year he already 63. He can file a pension when he gonna be at 63 because I already complete his contribution for SSS by the time he gonna be 63. help also for my elder brother. Instead of giving them Christmas gift, I paid his for the pension.